Days after massive 257 crore cash haul at Kanpur-based businessman's home, Piyush Jain has now been arrested. 21 boxes full of cash and 5-note counting machine just to be able to count the cash. This is how the raids at perfume trader in Kanpur looked like. Officials reportedly recovered cash worth over 257 crores in addition to gold and silver. The Income Tax Department, along with CBIC and GST Intelligence Unit, raided the premises owned by Piyush Jain in Kanpur, Kannauj and Mumbai. After over 50 hours of interrogation, Piyush was taken into custody by the GST Intelligence Unit in Kanpur. Officials say the unaccounted cash recovered from Jain's residence and was allegedly linked to dispatch of goods via fake invoices and without e-way bills by goods transporter. BJP has alleged that the perfume raided made by Samajwadi Perfume was launched by Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav last month.
जो पैसा इन्होंने लूट करके रखा था, आज दीवालों से कैसे निकल रहा है, इसका प्रमाण आज आप देख रहे होंगे कि कल 257 करोड़ रुपए और कई किलो सोना और चांदी निकला। आज भी लगभग 100 करोड़ रुपए और कई किलो सोना और चांदी निकल रहा है। ये पैसा गरीब का पैसा है और गरीब का पैसा सत्ता के संरक्षण में कैसे लूटा जाता था, इसका प्रमाण भी है।
Samarth is now joining me for the very latest on this story. Samarth, explain to us what is going on and how does this link to Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav?
See, the Kanpur-based businessman and perfume industrialist Piyush Jain has been arrested by the GST Intelligence Unit under the charges of tax evasion. It is said that he has stolen around crores of money and recovered amount is around 257 crore, including gold and silver. This is what CM Yogi Adityanath has also claimed in yesterday's public address in Prayagraj, and this is what we are getting from our sources. But what is important and what is evident is his political link. The Saffron Party is saying that he is linked to Samajwadi Party. The SP chief Akhilesh Yadav is saying that this person is close to BJP. But what is clear hasn't come out yet. What is clear and evident, he is a perfume industrialist. He is also related to a pan masala company, and a lot of money has been recovered, and still raids are on in Kanpur and Kannauj. He was arrested from Kanpur and is expected to be taken to Ahmedabad later on. While the raids are still on in Kannauj, another unit of the GST intelligence has reached Kannauj for further investigation, as Kannauj has his ancestral home, and it is important to know what is being hid in the houses. As Yogi Adityanath claimed that 257 crore around recovered so far, and while 100 more crores are being expected to come out further. But what is important is, as Uttar Pradesh elections are on the polls, such raids are happening. That's what SP chief is alleging, that why all such raids are happening at this particular time, while the BJP and CM Yogi Adityanath are claiming that this is the real face of Samajwadi Party, as this is the money of poor which were being stolen by the ex-powerful persons under the Samajwadi Party government. So with elections on the door, such raids are still making the entire election thing much spicy. But what is clear and evident that the raids are on, and it is not just limited to Piyush Jain. Further such raids were taken in few persons related to Samajwadi Party, be it Gyanendra Yadav, Manoj Yadav in Manpuri, or Rajiv Rai, the spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. But nothing concrete come out from those particular raids. But this is important because more than 250 crores have been recovered, and still raid is on, and you may expect more numbers to rise. And this has become a political thing, with SP claiming that he is close to BJP, while BJP claiming he is close to the MLA of Kannauj of Samajwadi Party. But nothing has come out concrete yet. But yes, raids are on, and it seems that raids are going to continue for a few more days. Yes.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us with the latest details right there, Samarth. We'll keep coming back to you. This is a huge scam that we're tracking at the moment. It's a stink of a scam at the moment. We'll get you more details in just about a bit, because this will have repercussions ahead of UP elections as well. After hate speech at Haridwar Dharam Sansad, fresh communal rant in Raipur meeting. The Raipur Hindu Dharam Sansad came to an abrupt end after the patron Ram Sundar stormed out of the venue. This after he objected to a seer who abused Mahatma Gandhi and hailed Nathuram Godse. This year, Kali Charan even abused OAC, called for Hindu hardliner to rule India. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel skipped the Dharam Sansad event. A case has been registered against Kali Charan Maharaj for his controversial remarks against Mahatma Gandhi. The Raipur Dharam Sansad is being held days after a similar event in Haridwar, where attendees made communal speeches calling for genocide and pushing for a Hindu Rashtra. Religious leader Prabodhanandan Giri also stoked controversy at the event. He said that 1947 partition was based on religion and India will continue to be a Hindu Rashtra.
वो मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी ने सत्यानाश पेल दिया। वो नाथुराम गोडसे जी को नमस्कार है, मार डाला काली।
It is unfortunate that in a society we feel as egalitarian, which has progressed from medieval and later modern times to the current era, where we are reaching out to the skies. We have people with a mindset who strategically attempt to rouse sentiments. It is unthinkable that people can compare the father of a nation, a world-renowned leader, with a person who is murdered being compared to a person who is linked with hardline thoughts and who was himself implicated, though let off, in the murder of our father of the nation.